How to sign up on NanoBanana AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for NanoBanana AI. In the search result, you will see the official website of NanoBanana. Navigate to its website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. In order to sign up on NanoBanana AI, you need to tap on this 3 lines icon in the top right corner. Tap on this sign up button. It will prompt you with this create your account page. You can use your Google account or provide your email address over here. Once you provide your email address, create a password for your account. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. Once you do that, tap on this continue button. Now it will send you the verification code in your email, so tap on your inbox. Copy this verification code and paste it over here. And there you go. Now your account has been successfully created. You can now enjoy using the NanoBanana AI. So that's a very simple process to sign up on NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.